What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to jump on here to give you a real quick update about the channel and why I've been a little bit quiet this last week and what's going to happen over the next 2 weeks because it's very exciting. So let's get into it. Okay guys, just a quick update. We are heading away this evening. Sorry last week was quiet on the upload front. I had so much going on, I just couldn't even trade that much myself. We had an alright week, but I just missed out some opportunities which I was fairly annoyed about, but you know, sometimes life just gets in the way, and literally just, yeah, it was a mad week. But tonight I'm heading away for 10 days, and this 10 days is going to be content heaven for me, so I'm looking forward to that. We're going to be making a couple of vlogs, or some vlog style content, lots of live trades, and even some live streams. So keep an eye out for that, and I will be posting those on our socials. So if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram at InFX Trading, and also follow or go subscribe to the free Telegram down below, because there'll be other content on there. So yeah, keep an eye out for the live streams. It's going to be good. I'm going to try and get 2 or 3 in while I'm out and away. Hopefully during live trading hours, which will be good, so you can trade along with me. The second thing is our website. The website is being put out this week while I'm away, and while I'm away you'll also be able to access our one-to-one course where you'll get an hour and a half of me online, and we're going to jump into the charts, and I'm going to give you everything that I've learned over the last 7 to 8 years, my strategies, my psychology, risk management, how to be profitable, and everything in between. So keep an eye out for that, and also we'll be at a discounted price for the first month. So that is obviously a benefit as well. So I'll make sure I announce everything on that on socials. So again, if you haven't already, go check those out. I also just want to use this opportunity to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Again, we had a 1,000 subscriber live stream, and thank you to everyone who came by. I really wanted to do another live stream since then, but last week was just so damn busy, I just couldn't get one in, and so I apologize for that. But next week, as I say, there are going to be some more. But thank you for the subscribers, and thank you to those who are new, already at like 1,081, which is just insane. So I really appreciate you, and yeah, I'm looking forward to us growing more and more with different types of content, and yeah, just bringing you as much value as I can. So that's the update really. Just I want to say thank you, just let you know about the website, let you know that I'm going away, and there is going to be lots coming this week. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Look out for the new content, and I'll see you soon. Peace.